Tired of straining to hear your Android phone in noisy environments? Let's dive straight into boosting your phone's volume without downloading any extra apps. First, open your Android settings menu. Scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Find the Hearing Enhancement section. It might be called something slightly different depending on your phone model. Here, you'll usually find a mono audio option. If it's off, turn it on. This combines all audio channels into one, which can sometimes make the overall sound seem louder. Next, let's unlock some hidden potential. We're going to access developer options, but be warned, only change settings you understand. To unlock it, go back to the main settings menu and scroll down to About Phone. Tap on it. Find build number and tap it rapidly, usually 7 times, until you see a message saying you are now a developer. You might need to enter your PIN. Now, go back to the main settings menu, and you should see developer options near the bottom. Tap on it. Scroll through the list carefully until you find Disable Absolute Volume. Toggle this setting on. This can help unlink the phone's volume control from Bluetooth devices, sometimes resulting in a higher overall volume. Finally, let's adjust the equalizer. Go back to the main settings menu and tap on Sound. Look for an equalizer or audio effects option. It might be hidden under Advanced Sound Settings. Here, you can customize the sound output. Experiment by boosting the higher frequency bands. This can make speech and other sounds seem clearer and louder, especially in noisy environments. Be careful not to overdo it, as this can distort the sound. And that's it. With these simple steps, you can significantly boost the volume on your Android phone without any additional apps. Remember to adjust these settings to your personal preference and be careful when using developer options. Now go enjoy your enhanced audio.